Submitted by Stomp Kim. Stomp Kim is looking for her white cockatiel, Gigi, who went missing yesterday, June 11, at around 6:45 p.m., near block 417 Fajar Rd. Kim said, Gigi is palm-sized and has a long, yellow tail. She went missing near an open field. If anyone has seen Gigi, please contact us. Our whole family is waiting for him to come home. A $50 reward will be given for his safe return. If you have any information about the Gigi the cockatiel, kindly contact us at stomp@stomp.com.sg or WhatsApp, +659 384 3761.